Hey guys, today we're going to talk about HelloFresh. This is not a sponsor, by the way, but we decided to get HelloFresh anyway.
First, we're going to show you what we ordered. Okay, Pablo, ready to read the cards and then show me what it is?
Honey Dijon dill trout.
Okay. Next.
Also a chicken sausage rigatoni in a creamy sauce. We also have a beef flautas supreme, a hoisin glazed pork fillet, and a sheet pan Monterey Jack unfried chicken.
Okay.
This it?
It comes in there. And everything there is fresh.
I almost fell off the stair because I was trying. So, here we have the hoisin glazed pork fillet, the chicken sausage rigatoni in the creamy sauce, a sheet pan Monterey Jack unfried chicken, a honey Dijon dill trout, one ridiculous whatever this is, and also whatever this is ice to keep it
Yeah, it's ice to keep the meats
good.
cold. The fish.
We also have the recipe on the things on how to make it.
This is
Also, how much did this cost, by the way? Mother? How much
I'll
did
let
this
you
cost?
know. I'll let you know. They have only charged $40 for all of these. But I'm thinking there's more. I don't know. I'll let you know. Anyways.
Bye. Get to subscribe, like, and comment.